Welcome back to our how-to series on the Climatiq Excel Add-In. In this video, we will look at how to search through Climatiq's verified emission factors within Excel. Climatiq's Data Explorer contains hundreds of thousands of standardized and normalized emission factors. Our factors are vetted by carbon accounting experts, fully aligned with the GHG protocol, GLEC framework, and are ISO 14067 compliant. Our Data Explorer has over 80 different data sources, covering over 300 regions worldwide. If you're looking to minimize the number of tabs you have open and keep your work centralized within Excel, the Excel search function is just for you. Let's look at how to search within Excel. You can search from directly within your own Excel file of business data using the basic search emission factors formula, but in this video, we will use the Climatiq demo file. To access the demo file, feel free to navigate to the Templates tab within the Excel task pane on your right-hand side and insert the Climatiq template. You can then click on the Search Emission Factors sheet within the template file. For example, if we wanted to explore emission factors for steel, we can simply enter this into the query field. Our search function uses approximate text matching, which means it doesn't just look for exact words, it also finds related terms, partial matches, or similar wording. This helps you get relevant emission factors even if your input isn't an exact match. We can then enter the number of results we would like to be outputted. You can search for up to 10,000 results at once, but let's just set this to 20 for now. We can then put in some keywords for sector or category to narrow down the search, as well as if you want the emission factor to come from a specific data source. For example, maybe we want only data provided by UK base. We can then set the region, which is a 2-letter country code. So for example, in Great Britain, you would only enter GB. You can also filter down by year, unit type, life cycle, activity stage, and more. The different activities can be found in our documentation on our website. We can now see that a filtered down table of relevant emission factors is displayed with the clear activity ID of the emission factor that was taken from our Data Explorer. If you have a paid subscription to Climatiq, you'll also be able to retrieve raw factors via the search formula, except for factors from IEA and EcoInvent. If you're on a free plan, the factor itself won't be displayed. If we wanted to do a broad search for emission factors relating to apples in France for 2024, we just replace the fields. We can also switch up the search term, for example, to cheese. And we can observe how the displayed factors are adapted to the search term. That's how to browse Climatiq's thousands of emission factors right from within Excel. To learn more about the different calculations you can make using Climatiq, please continue to the next video in this Excel How-To series. I'll see you in the next video.